Hey guys, welcome back. I just want to say a huge congratulations to the top 3 people that made the cut for the FCP Euro $500 gift card that I'm going to be doing the drawing here tomorrow. So here are the top 3 that made the cut. As I mentioned before in the previous videos, the top 3 that you just saw are going to be in a auto-generated drawing that I'm going to do live here on the channel tomorrow. So those 3 names are going to be listed in there. Congratulations again. And then we're going to let the auto-generated website do its thing and pick one of the 3. That's how we're going to do it here, and then that lucky winner is going to win the $500 gift card. I'll be in contact with you, of course, via here on YouTube, and then I will send your information over to FCP Euro, so then FCP Euro can send you the gift card. Other than that, I appreciate everyone participated in this. This was definitely fun. More to come as far as prize giveaways come here on the channel, and some even bigger and better things. Well guys, thanks for stopping in. As always, you know what to do. Take care.